What's the lure button?
It's the Twitch lure, folks. Yes! Look at the size of this fish. He's in trouble, boys.
Open your belt. Look at you.
Come on.
Look at they are everywhere.
Double twitch.
He's in trouble, boys.
Open your belt.
I'm gonna let out some line.
Oh, it's a big
my
one. Ain't it?
gosh,
Right there.
caught it. I got it on video. I got it on video.
Nice. He just came off.
I just happened
That
to turn
was
it on.
sick.
There it is. That's the result of Twitch.
Take that picture right there. Now.
You got any glib?
Giants.
Giants.
Slaying giants. What do you do? I slay giants.
What kind of lure are you using?
A Twitch. Amazing.
The new
Big or
Twitch
small.
with fiber strike.
Big or small, Twitch gets them all.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. I can't believe these fish jumping everywhere. Bobby, the one you got is a monster.
It's the biggest one of the gang.
Bobby, you gotta reel this in. Get him.
Yes!
Yeah, get the big one. Woo! Here comes the Twitch. Ready?
Here it comes.
Here comes the Twitch through a school. Watch it hit. Boom! Boom!
Oh, he just ate it right there. Oh, he came out. Oh, there's another one. I can't keep him
Going
off.
crazy up.
Hey, that's a good one, bro.
Get it with
That's on the Twitch lure,
Yep.
right?
Yep, get a picture of that with the lure in his mouth.
Got it. Got it.
Got it?
So, I've caught a few fish before in my life.
There you go.
Twitch lures. This is our red devil right here. Knocks them dead. Using our top water bait, we were knocking them dead also today. Twitch, switch to Twitch. From big to small, it catches them all.